Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be discussing OneNote. I think it's such an amazing tool that I'm very disappointed out. I just found about not now because I'm gonna have definitely a lot of back problems carrying around this lunky book bag with my big 5 subject notebook that I take notes for all my courses in. And now it just being able, all my notes can be on my computer, easy to study. I can transfer it to my iPad. It's just going to make things a lot easier for me and me have more access to study wherever I go because I'm always going to have my phone on me, so I can even use it on my phone when I'm sitting in the car needing to study at work and it's slow and I can study and I don't have to bring my everything with me. So today we are going to be discussing the amazing features of OneNote. If you can see, I have it pulled up here with one of my class notes. I learned a lot from this while going through the Wallach videos and hearing actually the one teacher discuss about how she has all of her students, all their tools, they can work on it together. In the top right corner, there's a share button. So if I'm working on a project with someone and I'm home and they're home, especially right now in the world of virtual, I can just share them what my project looks like so far. They can add on to it. We can highlight, say what we don't like, what we like. And I think it's just such a perfect tool that's really going to help us. Especially, we don't know what's going to come next week. So we could be in the world of virtual for hopefully not forever, but we could be in forever. And these tools can really help us still be able to learn, but stay safe in the comfort of our own homes. So if we look here, I have my wallet, my OneNote pulled up. So I only have a couple. Right now I'm going to transfer all of my notes. That's what I've been doing. Is I'm going to transfer all of my notes that are in my big notebook into my computer in the wallet, the OneDrive. So right now I just have my School of the Future notes. So if you see, it's different colors on the corner. So this one's blue. So all the notes that'll be under this section will, all I have to do will hit the School of the Future, find the title, the day I wrote them, because it gives me the date, the time that everything was done. So I can go pull it up and then find my notes and be like, okay, this is what I need to study. So right now we just had to watch a video about children living in poverty. So I did my little title and I can do bullet points. It's nice and neat. I can read it. I don't have sloppy handwriting when I'm writing really quick. So I just did my certain bullet points, like no hot water. They hadn't stuff, but the father lost his job. And then the important stuffs I highlighted in this pretty pink. I like that there's pretty highlighting colors. So in this pretty pink, I highlighted the statistics that I thought were important. And then I even have a star here, which is something like one fact that I need to know. And what I like about this is I could be studying and then I could be like, okay, I know all of this, but I don't know this one fact or these couple definitions and terms. So I can put them in a star to make sure I study these. Like, you know, everything else, you need to know these. I can also put the star next to things that are very, very important. And if you see me scrolling down, you can to do, so I can make a to-do list. Like, instead of having my planner, I can be like, okay, I need to take this test, I need to record this video, I need to submit this at this day. And then if we see, I can put it here. And then when it's done, I can check it. So uncheck it, record video for web tools. Even though it's not under my web tools document right now because I haven't created one yet, I just want to show everyone what you can do. So record video for web tools, I click it because I'm doing it now. So once I submit it, I'll have it clicked and I'll know it's done, and that's one less thing on my to-do list to do. You can also have questions. So if I have a question that I need to ask the professor, I can do question mark and say, how many kids are in poverty in 2020? So then when I go to class and I pull up my notes, I know, okay, I have to ask my professor this question because I wrote it down. So it's very good where we can remember, it helps, it's very organized tools. So then if you go here, I can add a page. So I have a page added, which it will go under my School of the Future. But then if I go here, so I clicked this, so because the future of schools clicked, it's the poor children video and my untitled document that's under that. So it's under that section of my binder or my notebook. So when I go to my social studies praxis, the only section I have right now is the age of exploration and my notes about the exploration, and then I put a star next to Prince Henry because he's an important name that I'm going to need to know. Or it could be because, okay, I didn't know who he was to begin with, so I had to write it down so I can know. I think it's very effective, and I'm definitely going to starting to use this as my notes. I can also go to my tags. So if I go to the search, it has in tags as important. So because this is next to it under the age of exploration, under my praxis social studies section, I'll know that's important for that class. And then when I click this and go here, I know that that's important, that nearly half of the children in poverty. So I'll know what's important, and if I just need to find the important stuff under that tab, all I have to do is click one of my classes in my subsections and then go to the important, and it'll give it to me right there. And then I also like how it has the time when I did everything. So if I need to find, I didn't label something I did yesterday and I need to find it, all I have to do is go to the time yesterday, find it, and label it. So it really does keep you organized. You're not going to lose any of your stuff. You know, I'll never lose a computer, but you know what? I could lose my binder or my notebook because I left it on a table or something. You're always going to keep your computer and your phone with you. Not necessarily. You can lose your notebook. You can leave it somewhere and not remember where you left it. So like it's just really nice having all of my notes and everything just in one place where I have multiple access to, and I'm really enjoying it. And then I can even add numbers, pages. And so if I want to add a section, I can add web tools. And then I can add a page. Actually, you go here, you go rename web tools. And then I can add a page. So class Monday, what was Monday's date? 10/1. And then I can write down all my notes and everything I did in class. And then I can go here, see that I just did that. I have nothing important under this section yet. So it's just very useful, and I really hope that everyone tries to use this because I think it's a fantastic tool. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.